So we're getting rain, lots of it, wind, and I've been listening to a lot of thunder coming in. We hardly ever get thunder and lightning storms. And I have to stand back a little bit because the wind's blowing in a certain direction that I'm getting tripped on. Oh yeah. And there's our screwed up gutter there. Just a little messed up. But I figured, you know, I would share this lovely storm with all of you peoples out there. Stop getting sprayed. That would be wonderful. I want to see actual lightning though, damn it. Not just the thunder. It would be nice. God. There's more of our screwed up gutter. Which, they don't know how to put a gutter up, honestly. But, whatever. I gotta close this window, man. Because I'm getting rain on. Anyway, so, there's that. All the thunder went away. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Lovely.